Well, it is good news all around tonight for General Motors and GM workers.
The company recorded record earnings in 2022, and that means record-setting profit-sharing checks are on the way. Each of the company's 42,000 hourly employees will get close to $13,000. Business editor Rod Maloney is live tonight. Rod, this translates into a big boost for the local economy.
It's hundreds of millions of dollars just to the Michigan economy alone based on the numbers, and it's going to impact our economy in a way that we always remember these bonus checks doing back in the bad old days of the 90s and even early 2000s. But there's something else that happens here as well. General Motors is announcing to the industry and to the world that it is in a very good financial position as it transitions into electric vehicles.
We exceeded all Wall Street expectations and delivered our best year ever with record revenue, record EBIT, and the largest market share increase of any automaker in the U.S.
Here are the numbers. Fourth quarter money in the door, $43 billion, $158 billion for the year. That's a record. As for profits, GM made $2 billion in the fourth quarter, just shy of $10 billion for the year. Bonus checks for 42,300 UAW line workers, $12,750 each, also a new record high.
And they are delivering the best initial quality in the industry. And those are the results. And, everybody is working so hard.
The bonuses have long been controversial. Some years not so big, other years they didn't come at all. But this kind of return is putting smiles on a lot of faces that have weathered some very tough times over the past couple of years.
We're happy. Sounds good. Sounds like GM had a good year. We're happy about that.
Great. It's fantastic. I'm glad we're getting it.
You earned it.
Yes, we did. We worked hard for it.
I'm happy about it. I mean, that's the best I can say. I'm happy about it. Apparently, it was a decent year.
As for what to do with this kind of cash in hand after tax,
Probably save it. So I got no real plans for it right now. Probably just put it away for a rainy day.
Bills! Bills! Bills, 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 bills.
and so here's the other thing that goes with this. General Motors today, in its sales call or its conference call, said that inasmuch as a lot of the tech companies are laying off people by the tens of thousands, that's not going to happen here at General Motors. They say that they've got their hiring well in hand and they don't expect any future layoffs, at least for the time being. Back to you.
Rod, we ran the story the other day about how Ford is cutting its EV prices to compete with Tesla. Are you hearing that GM will do the same?
No, to the contrary, General Motors feels, and that was Mark Royce that we were hearing from, the president of General Motors today when I talked to him. He told me, look, he believes that the value that they offer with their price points, particularly with the Chevy Bolt and some of their other EVs, is world class. And so they do not believe that cutting prices is going to be the answer. They think that anybody spending, say, $100,000 on a Hummer electric vehicle is getting that much value and perhaps even more.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay, Rod, we appreciate it.